Hello everyone and welcome to the How Do I Do It channel. Now I bring you this tip to have your linen closet better organized, so you don't lose your pillowcases or sheets, and then have your bedding sets incomplete. I don't know if this image looks familiar to you, but usually we always have our quilts and blankets arranged this way. There are some below, the pillowcases on the other side. We have the sets separated or we simply have everything on top of each other, and the truth is it doesn't look very good. With this tip, apart from making it easier to locate the different sheets, pillowcases, etc., it will look much better, more organized, and will even keep them cleaner and free of dust. Now I'll show you how. We fold our sheets more or less the size of a normal pillow so that they fit inside our pillowcase. Once folded, we grab the other pillowcase and wrap them in this one so that it is much easier to put in. Here, as you can see, I did not make it the exact size, and that is why I have to rearrange it so that it is more or less the size of this one and fits as best as possible. But remember that this is just a tip, and I hope you do much better, and that it turns out neater than mine. Since the sheets are inside in this case, we only arrange them and fold the leftover part of the pillowcase so that only the piece we want is visible, in this case the part that will cover the pillow. We do this so that when we arrange it in our linen closet it looks as if they were pillows or a single sheet, and it looks much better. We do the same with the other sheets or bedding sets that we have, and just like with the one we maybe put it in one of its covers, and thus we have arranged by color, pattern, or however we want our closet to look. You can also use a cover that you no longer have, or that you do not use frequently, and there store other blankets, towels, or even bathroom sets that we have to decorate the house on special dates, such as the Day of the Dead or Halloween, Christmas, or some other holiday where you decorate, etc. You can see that you can fit inside a cover that you have left over, and your wardrobe will look much better. Remember that these are just ideas that you can improve, and if it helps you for something else, I will appreciate it if you put it in the comments. As you can see, apart from the fact that the space was reduced because everything is more compressed in the covers, it looks much better since in this case it is by color or bedding set. But in one of the covers I put the towels that were there before, and now it looks like it's just one blanket or pillow, and you have it handy for when you want to change sets. We still have a little space on top to fit the comforter we had, or something else we want to put in. I'm sure it will look much better for you because as you can see I'm not very good at folding sheets, but you can still see that it looks much neater, and it also fulfills its function of having the sets all together with their covers and sheets. As you know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with all your family, friends, and acquaintances, like it on the Facebook page, and check out the other videos, because I assure you that some of them will be very useful to you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this advice has been useful to you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.